Hello everyone, this is Case and this is a quick unboxing of another action camera from Amazon. This is the TECBean Action Camera. So this one is 4K, 16 megapixel camera, wide angle, and Wi-Fi. So without further ado, let's take a look at what's inside the box. This aside for now. Let's see. All right, so this is the camera itself with the waterproofing case. I'll come back to it later. Put it aside. Let's see what else we have here. Let's put that one here too. Okay, what do we have here? In this box we have charging cable, strap, some sort. I'm not really sure what that is. Another thing for the case. And some zip ties. Alright, we'll put that aside for now. Let's see what else in this box. Here are all the other accessories and cases. So we have like a mounting frame of some sort. Other accessories for mounting, cases. This is for like a tripod if you want to put it on a tripod. Alright, that's everything except for the user manual, which is basically just a typical user manual for the camera. But let's take a look at the camera itself. So let's open the box, or the case I mean. Let's see how we're gonna open this. So lift it up and here we go. That's the case by itself. That's the teeny tiny camera. Has an LCD screen. .4K. Yeah, that's it. Here's where the SD card is. So you can tell this is not waterproof by itself because of like how the ports are exposed. Action buttons here, button here, power here. Yeah, that's it. Let me get it up and running right now. So I got the battery in. It comes with 2 batteries, and let's turn it on now and see what this thing does. So this is the power button. Here we go. Turns on. TECBean, or TECBean I guess. So yeah, let me get this here. So that's the resolution of it. It doesn't look super great, but I think for price it gets the job done. So this is shooting 1080p, no touchscreen, 1080p, 60 frames per second, and then you can change it. So if you press, let's see, so now this is a 16 megabyte picture. Let's try it. So this is the shutter button here. Okay, let's try. And this is the slow motion, and if you can tell, but this is the icon over there. 1080p 60 frames per second. And this is the picture, and here are the settings. So you can navigate the settings. So the resolution, you can choose 2K, 30 frames, 4K, 30 frames, or go down to like 720, 90 frames, 30 frames, 60 frames, 1080p. Yeah, so let's leave it at this. You can choose other options, record sound, time lapse. Press the power button here to go to a different screen. That's the photo quality. That's the exposure and white balance and some other stuff. Language, time and date. And that's it. Press OK to exit. So yeah, that's a pretty quick video of this. I will post some sample photos and video taken by this camera so you can see. I'll post the same photo I'm taking right now so you can see the quality of this camera. That's all. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoy this quick unboxing of the TECBean or TECBean camera. If you do, please make sure to hit that subscribe button and like this video. Thanks a lot. Till next time. Quick video of this. I will post some sample photos and video taken by this camera so you can see. I'll post the same photo I'm taking right now so you can see the quality of this camera. That's all.